Hey guys, so as you guys can obviously tell, yes, my hair is not done, but that is because I thought about doing my hair routine with you guys. Today I am going to be diffusing my hair. So I came out of the shower probably like 30 minutes ago. I did have my hair on my microfiber towel, so it is a little bit dry already. So I am going to brush my hair really quick so I can get my hair wet again. I know that some people, when they're doing like their wavy slash curly routine, they don't brush their hair, but I always do. That is just what I do. Obviously you guys can do whatever you guys prefer. So I am gonna go ahead and spray it. This is not heat protectant, this is water. I didn't have a bottle, so I figured I would use this one since I already finished the heat protectant. Okay, it is wet enough now. If I need to get it a little bit more wet, then I'll just do it after. But the first product that I am gonna go in with is gonna be mousse. Let me get it. Well, mousse and curl cream. So this is the mousse that I am using, Garnier Fructis. Honestly, it's not my favorite, but I don't know of any like other mousse. For my curl cream, I use this one. I love this one. It smells so good. That's what I'm doing. Let me get it all over. Okay, now that I'm like scrunching in the mousse, I definitely need more water in my hair. So I am gonna have to re-wet it right now. Let me just finish up with the mousse and then we can do it. So this is what we have. Now I am gonna go ahead and get it a little wet again because it is getting a little dry. It is getting a little dry, so I'm just gonna re-wet it. That way it gets nice and wet. Why do I feel like it's not turning out this time? I'm like, why does it not look like how it usually does? One sec, guys, one sec. I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I fixed it. So this is exactly what it needs to sound like. Yeah, so you guys hear that squishy sound? That's how it's supposed to sound, okay? Okay, now that my hair is drenched, I can start diffusing. So what I'm gonna be doing is just using low heat, low speed. I do start diffusing my roots first, just so you know those are set. So yeah, let me go ahead and do my roots and then we will do the rest of our hair. Okay, now that the roots are dry, I'm gonna keep going with the rest of my hair. So for this is gonna take a while, guys. So I'll maybe do some check-ins. If not, then I'll just see you guys once I'm done. But yeah, let me just get started because it's getting hot. So let me hurry up. Oh my god, guys. I don't even think I'm like halfway through. I'm already sweating. I literally picked the worst day to do this because it's like 90 degrees outside. I'm so hot, like I am sweating. But we already started, so I am not gonna give up. I was doing this with my head flipped over for more volume, but right now I think I'm just gonna focus it like this. Just grab a little chunk. Okay, I am gonna flip my head over one more time. Hopefully after this we are done, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna do a little break. This is what I have right now. And no, I am still not done. Honestly, I feel like I shouldn't have used this spray for me to, you know, get my hair damp, because I feel like some sections definitely needed more water. I definitely got like fixed some parts in the sink, like when I went to the bathroom, but I feel like these front pieces, they probably didn't get much water, so that's why they're kind of not as defined. So that was a mistake. Also, guys, I realized that I forgot heat protectant. Do not forget heat protectant, okay? Always use heat protectant. But okay, now I'm just gonna keep going. You can literally see how bad I'm sweating. I am gonna flip my head over again. I feel like that's like the easiest way to do it, so I will be back. Okay, are we done? Oh, see, I am so mad. I shouldn't have trusted that bottle thinking that it was gonna actually get my hair damp, because it did not happen. See, like the ends turned out pretty good. Okay, this is the Kerastase oil. I'm gonna get 2 pumps. Okay, and then I'm just gonna flip my head over and scrunch up all this so it's not as scrunchy anymore. Scrunchy? Crunchy? I don't know. Okay, the crunch is gone. And like I said, unfortunately, these pieces did not curl up, so I'm just gonna curl them. Just something, you know, quick, just so it can match my ends. See, this is what I get by not doing the bowl method. I usually always do the bowl method. I just, you know, I figured being right here in the front, I didn't want to make a mess, and I was like, oh, the spray bottle will be fine. Everyone uses a spray bottle. Not this spray. I need to get an actual like spray bottle for my hair, but no worries, we will make these work. Was my package delivered? Guys, I am waiting on a package right now from Pretty Little Thing, and I am going to film a little unboxing, a little haul for you guys. It's literally like right after this, so that's why I'm hurrying up so I can go and open it. It's not a lot of things, but still, why wouldn't I show you guys, right? Okay, but this is it, you guys. What do you guys think? Super nice, super curly. Okay, wait, if you guys know what type of curl or wave this is, can you guys let me know? Because honestly, I don't know if this is considered wavy, if it's considered curly. I don't know, but I would really like and appreciate your guys' help, so please let me know. So this is the finished look. I literally made sure I wore a different colored shirt so you guys could actually see, because I have the bad habit of every time I make a like hair video, I always wear black tops, so like you can't really see, but today you can. So this is it. What do you guys think? I'm definitely not a pro at this, but I feel like I've definitely gotten way better than what it used to be, because honestly, it used to be a big fluffy mess. It's still a little bit of a mess, but not as much as before. Before, I used to be like just like a huge like frizz ball. So this is a really good progress. But okay, I need to finish this video because I am literally dying in this room. It is so hot. Oh, before I forget, let me give you guys a little back action so you guys can see. Ignore the vibration, it's Kenny calling me. I'll call him back once I'm done. What do you guys see? Oh, pretty it looks. Super cute. I love it. Ooh, what is this? Like I said, this is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. And like I said, if you guys have any recommendations on any mousse that you guys love, let me know in the comments below. Curl cream, I really love my curl cream, so I think I'm good with that. Also, if you guys have any tips on how to make this process easier, let me know. But I do know it's not really an easy process. It is like really time consuming, so I know that. But still, if you guys have any tips, then let me know. I would love to learn any new tips. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up, and I really hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.